As the premier scientific research institute at the nation's fastest-growing research university, the Biodesign Institute's impact is accelerating. We perfect our research by taking cues from nature, because the greatest innovations happen in the natural world. We are determined to destroy disease. Biodesign researchers were able to manufacture a timely novel treatment for Ebola by altering a tobacco plant virus, contributing to the survival of several victims of the disease. Now, our researchers have been able to demonstrate physical and behavioral improvements in autistic children after microbial transplant therapy. Continued research is vital. We are decoding cancer to halt progression at the earliest stages. With partners, we developed a new type of blood test for breast cancer that could revolutionize detection and treatment. Now, researchers at Biodesign have developed the very first vaccine intended to prevent cancer in dogs. Because if a vaccine against cancer can work in dogs, it might just work in people too. In the future, researchers may use DNA-designed nanobots to fight cancerous tumors by choking off their blood supply. We're partnering with nature to combat pollution in a whole new way. Researchers at Biodesign provided critical science showing that key ingredients in antimicrobial soaps were causing damage to the environment and human health. We've helped to create several biotech spin-out companies to commercialize an innovative, viral-based therapy for the treatment of cancer. Our researchers are pioneering the novel use of naturally occurring microbes to reduce contaminants such as metals and fertilizer in wastewater runoff from fields and coal plants.
You're going to open this vial, stick your straw in, and fill it up to the minimum line with saliva.
Research at the ASU Biodesign Institute has impact, and our impact perpetuates discovery. Join us.